Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
निरोगी आरोग्याक शरीराचे सगळे अवयव निरोगी आसप गरजेचे. किडनी होय शरीराचो म्हत्वाचो अवयव, जाची रक्तशुद्धीकरण आणि रक्तदाब कंट्रोलान दवरूंक मजत जाता. मात फाटले कांय दीस किडनी फेल जावपाची दुयेंतीचें प्रमाण वाडलां. जायत्या लोकांची जीव गेल्यात. हे फाटभुंयेर दुयेंसा विशीं लोकां मदीं जनजागृताय करप गरजेचें म्हूण दर वर्सा 14 मार्चाक संवसारीक किडनी दीस मनयलो वता.
World Kidney Day is celebrated mainly to educate the patients, because most of the patients which we see, they present at a later stage. So important thing is to educate the patient and present them early. So the diabetes, hypertension, these two are the main factors which lead to kidney problem, and please control your diabetes and hypertension. So don't wait till you develop signs and symptoms. There, the regular checkup and regular follow-up, they take importance. And 8 golden important points which I have mentioned. One is about the exercise, keeping weight under control, fluid intake, diet, sugar pressure control, stop smoking, and identifying the risk factors. These are the important factors, and that we should keep it in mind.
Bureau Report, Prudent.